Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute video, we've got something a little bit different, a little bit on the unique side. It is a very essential tool when remodeling a bathroom, a shower, kitchens, or homes. This is what's called a cassette portable toilet. A travel toilet, if you will. Now, before you laugh at the idea of this being an important tile tool, bear with me, hear me out. During these hard times, we've got the virus all across the country, all across the world. There's a lot of businesses that are closed. If they're open, there's a lot of businesses that won't allow you to use their restrooms. And of course, you should never use an occupied home, your client's bathrooms, to use the restroom. And if you're building a new construction, obviously there is not a toilet available. And to save time, rather than getting in your truck, getting in your van, and driving 5 miles, 10 miles, even 40 miles to use the bathroom, absorbs a lot of time, which time is money. You want to use the bathroom, get right back at it, build that shower, remodel that bathroom, remodel that kitchen. To bring it back around, I do personally believe this is an essential tool for building. And also keep in mind you can use this for camping, hunting, road trips, and boat trips. Let's quickly show you how this can be easily utilized in the back of a truck. Here we go. Now, there are multiple places within the back seat of your truck to use this cassette portable toilet. Now, keep in mind, if you're in the city, this might be helpful to have tinted windows like I do here, but if you're in a rural area, shouldn't be a problem at all. Let's show you the different locations you can use this portable travel toilet. As you can see, we have the seat up, toilet down, and you can comfortably use it just like this. Now, mind you, I am 6'3", so I'm a very tall, big guy, but I'm very comfortable right now. Or simply use it on the back seat of your truck. And if you want a little more privacy, you can always do this. Set it on your floorboard. And there you go. In the back of your truck, it can work in a van, it can work in a tool trailer, or somewhere on the job site. Let's bring the camera up close, unbox it, show you what it looks like, and give you the basic details of this portable travel toilet. Now, there are multiple versions of this. I decided to go with the 2.6 gallon. It's a little shorter, which allows me to utilize this in the back of my truck as per usual. Links will be in the description below with pricing and specs on this unit here. Let's open it up. Instructions, as well as your drop-ins for the odor. And here is the toilet. Again, it's very small, compact. It has a latching lid made of ABS resin. This gasket seals in unpleasant odors. Top has a large size seat and increased bowl size. This right here is where you add your fresh water for flushing. This piston action is for flushing, which fires water out of these 3 water jets here. And like I showed you before, this has a sliding gate valve for waste, and it does seal up for odor. And lastly, you have a simple latch. This is to rinse out, to dump this. You simply bring it home, dump it into your toilet, flush at the same time you dump it, pull this latch here, lift up, and there you go. Here's your waste, and here's your elbow to remove the waste. Simply dump out, again, flush the toilet while you're dumping, and you're good to go. Well, there you go, guys, a travel toilet by Camco. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you want to see future tile tool videos, tap that subscribe button right down there. If you want to help my channel, the best way to do that is to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.